Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make my October thank you notes. Aren't they beautiful? So let me tell you the colors. We're using the Blackberry Bliss, Mossy Meadow, and then Rich Razzleberry, Pumpkin Pie, and the Cajun Craze. Now you'll notice that I'm making 5 thank you notes for the month of October, and that's because I couldn't decide on which one to use, the Blackberry Bliss or the Rich Razzleberry. So I just thought I'd throw in another one. So if you're one of my customers that place multiple orders in a month, you will have all 5 in the collection. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to make the Mossy Meadow one today. Okay, so you're going to need a piece of scrap, and I'm using the Very Vanilla for my base this month. And this is going to be for the stamping of the greeting. Okay, so we're going to be using the Very Vanilla, and this is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2, and then you're going to score it at 4 1/4. It's going to make your base. And then a piece of Mossy Meadow, and this is cut at 2 1/2 by 4. And then another piece of the Very Vanilla, and this is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab the stamps. We're going to be using the Mossy Meadow Classic Ink. And then here's the stamps. Let me show you the stamp set we're using. It's called the Flourish Filigree. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. We're going to use the main image for the center of the card. Then we're also going to layer the Sending Thankful Thoughts onto the front of the card. Okay, so first we're going to grab some grid paper, because the stamp is actually bigger than the Very Vanilla, the stamp right here. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and ink up our image. And I'm going to turn the cardstock, and I'm just going to, well, I'm going to kind of pull it towards me so I can see. So I'm going to use my stamp shape, and I'm going to center it onto the Very Vanilla. And just press that, because it's a larger stamp, so you want to make sure you're pressing around the whole image. Okay, isn't that beautiful? All right, then we're going to take our Very Vanilla piece. We're going to stamp our greeting. Okay, now we're going to grab our punch. Let me close up this ink pad. Okay, so we're going to use the Tailored Tag punch. It looks like this. And we're going to center this right over top of the greeting. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to add 2 dimensionals, one on either end of the greeting. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and layer this onto the Mossy Meadow cardstock. Then this is going to get layered onto the base. Okay, and then the greeting is going to be centered right in the center over top of the filigree, just like that. Okay, then we're going to spray some shimmer paint, which is the champagne mist that I'm using. I'm going to actually fill this with you on camera today. So this is my bottle that I've been using with the shimmer paint. So I just added more rubbing alcohol to what I already had in the bottle. So you're going to fill it up about 3/4 of the way with rubbing alcohol, which I already did. And I'm just going to remove the cap. And then I'm going to take my champagne mist, which is my shimmer paint, and this is available in the holiday catalog right now. And there's little ball bearings in here to mix it up really good. So like I said in my Facebook Live and then also in other videos, you're just going to use a little bit. You're not going to pour this whole bottle into this spray bottle. Just a little bit, depending on how much shimmer you like. I like a lot. So of course you can test it out, make sure it's enough, and then you can always add more. Then you're just going to close up your bottle and then shake that up. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this in the air, and I'm going to catch it onto the thank you note. So it's going to add a little shimmer to the whole thank you card. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful in real life. I love it. Okay, so that's the Mossy Meadow, and then here's the Cajun Craze and the Pumpkin Pie. And then here's the 2 colors that I was kind of tossed up about adding for this month's thank you note. So I added the Rich Razzleberry and then also the beautiful Blackberry Bliss. So you can tell the difference. I know you'll be able to tell the difference when you get them in person. So it's so beautiful. So I wanted to go with the fall colors for my October thank you notes. And I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.